As meeting planners, we know speaker management is an important facet of producing a great event. In a virtual setting, speaker management is even more important. A speaker with a dynamic presence in person may not have the same effect in a virtual space. It's up to the meeting planner to help guide our clients to choose the best speaker possible for the best scenario. Frequent check-ins with your speakers are important. Be sure they have the right technology. You may have to send them equipment such as lighting or microphones to ensure a quality presentation. Conduct a rehearsal call with them at the same time of day that they will be speaking so you can preview the environment. Check the background, the audio quality, is the lighting right? Be sure to confirm time zones and confirm they have the correct login information. The day of the event, always be on standby for assistance in case of any issues. And when it comes to speaker management, remember, there is no such thing as being too prepared.